How you got it, guys? I'm here in our garden, and my lavender looks so beautiful. But in any way, the cats love it here outside. There's Salem and there's Nuku Nuku.
Hello, Shishiri Mimia. Nikke, she's a baby daily. Nikke, she's Shilem, she's Shinkio. Hello, the Mimia, the baby D. Hello, she's the Mimia. Hello, the Mommy.
And I've got sandals on because it is summer and I can actually wear my sandals again. There's Salem sitting there.
Nikke, Mama, she's the Mimia, the baby D.
And she's eating grass.
Nikke, the baby. Hello, Shishinki. Oh, buddy.
And that's yellow vygies that I got from my mom-in-law that I planted in between the honey flowers, because if you pick these flowers, these white ones, they smell like honey.
Nikke, she's the baby, the Mimia, the Mimia, Lee. Oh, she's the Mimia.
I've got like 4 big lavender bushes here in our garden. I actually made my garden. There's a tree aloe that my mom-in-law sent for me, and I planted there in the garden. I've got this huge tree here, and then I've got those purple flowers. I planted this tree and that purple tree and that other tree I planted there. And today, when I get chance after the washing, I must just pull out these little weeds thingies here again. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys.